I just ended the most powerful 101 session I ever did in my entire life. And the level of gratitude I'm feeling right now is beyond. This adventure would have just not been the same without every single one of you. You are inspiring me every day to go further and further, to explore the full spectrum of healing, because I genuinely want you to achieve your highest timeline. I want you to transmute your traumas. I want you not to manifest from your wounded self. I want you to embody the God, the goddess that you are, full power. I want you to take your power back. I'm fully dedicated to my mission. I'm extremely obedient to the Most High. 111 on the timer. And again, with a lot of emotion, I am deeply grateful for you guys. You made this journey the best thing that ever happened to me. And I guess that's why my part is to make everything I can to help you grow, to help you heal fast, accelerating the process of healing, anchoring you in your highest potential, highest reality. Today I'm going to invoke Sekhmet because I really want to help you take your power back. I want you to close your eyes. It's going to be very intense. It's going to be short, but very intense. So please drink plenty of water after. I'm going to put some magic drop. Goddess Isis Blue Lotus. I've been infused for 6 months under the pyramid. Invoking the Sphinx. And we're going to, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. The 2 Sphinxes. Iriana Katse, Iriana Yoriyoko, Notore, Kiana Adara Iona, Tatsatsu Kurkuma Adara Ianikia, Tara Iamakatara Iata. Atsa Iriasinski Onodon, and I'm going to perform my magic for you to not be controlled, for your pineal gland to see Adara beyond the veil, for you to manifest at the speed of light. Rikina Katsara Ia Ozara Onokotara Ianski, Adara Ikatarek Zara Ikante Area Zomara Kiana Katsara Kiona Tatatu, Natatatu, Natatatu. Invoking Urma, the lion. Anakete ia ara enekoto urukuma adara ereke imni atski in the arakata. Anate iri ia kanta ara kanska ere imnike ete ede ia ata ana ete ara kunoto onukuta ara in ete. Zikiriya nakita zara ia kathamu de ere ia ara kantara yanska ara anta ara anse ere ia ara kanta ara amotara iasa. Helping you take your divine egeri power at a back and see invoking the Mahat, divine justice, divine order, calling judgment on these devices. birthright. This is your free will. This is your destiny. Reyasinski, Reyasan closing any contracts ki Baranikasinski, and Reyasinski, Purumaza Arense, Kiara Nana Terea Komada, Yata Anarayats Kumuay. Kamayay, Kamayay. Adara anse kira ana. Adara anareye se yakara. Adara ya ansi edere yakata. Uno tututu wa ara ne gadara angasa ya na 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 ni dara kuno tututu. Ni etsa ara ne ketse ya ara ana ata adara yaka. Iri atakata no no ya tse ya na ra ya sa ya ne ya ri. Tumuyara destiny. Peace is your destiny. I have no words. Elevation. It's been late. It has caused a lot of chaos in your life. But the sun is coming back. You relaxing, maybe in your new home for some of you. You accessing new position, I'm hearing also. You might also discover that you have an inheritance, or you're getting your inheritance back, your power back, your gold back. I'm hearing your beauty back for some of you that has been stolen, but your wisdom also. Yeah, enemy. I cannot make this up. Enemy. Your family, your whole family is now protected. There is some change. You might be a feminine, or there is also a feminine coming in your life. And it's new, and it's beautiful. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I love you, and until next time, namaste.